everyone, today I'm going to be going over 2 foolproof methods to save and propagate your Coleus over winter to enjoy them as houseplants and to enjoy even more annuals next gardening season. So for this first method, I'm going to snip off a Coleus right underneath a leaf node from a fairly tall stalk here. And I'm going to go ahead and pinch away each one of these so that I'm left with just the nodes. Okay. I usually like to leave right around 4 to 6 leaves. And this one broke off, but that is okay. I'm going to go ahead and snip off these. And here I'm left with these 2 leaf nodes as well as these. And now I'm going to go ahead and place this in the potting soil. And water it in. The thing with Coleus, you do want to make sure it is fairly moist to prevent it drying out. And this plant should begin to develop roots within 1 to 2 weeks. Now the second method I'm going to show you is pretty similar in terms of snipping off. Here I've gone ahead and clipped off one of the other Coleus plants that I have. I'm going to go ahead and remove these leaf nodes. And now I'm left with these right here. I'm going to go ahead and place this in the water, and I'll do this for a few more. And there you have it. Coleus, these will preserve over winter as houseplants, and then I can propagate them further and plant them up into other containers over spring so that I have more annuals in the summer. Now, in terms of lighting requirements, Coleus really thrive on bright, direct sunlight. If you have an eastern-facing window, go ahead and place this Coleus in the window and it will continue to thrive. Try to keep it away from direct southern exposure. If you have a really hot window in the afternoon, it doesn't thrive in that. So bright direct sunlight, like an eastern facing window in the morning, and indirect sunlight in the afternoon. Also, if you have grow lights, go ahead and put them under grow lights and they will continue to thrive. Now, in terms of care over the winter, because Coleus are such vibrant growers, they really grow quite quickly. You do want to go ahead and pinch off your Coleus just to maintain size control and to keep the plant healthy. So what you want to do is just simply pinch off right at the top here, a leaf node. And this will kind of keep the Coleus in check in terms of size to avoid it getting leggy, reaching for light. And then as the gardening season begins, like in March, April, depending on the zone you live in, you can begin to let the Coleus get a little bushier, get a little bigger to prepare to bring it outside for the gardening season. So that's going to do it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Please like and subscribe, and don't forget to stay tuned for part 3 of my Overwintering Annuals series, where we'll be talking about overwintering alocasias. See you next time.